Hello friends, today I have brought two super zero cost home decor ideas made with the branch of a tree which is easily available. Both the DIYs are going to give a rustic charm to your living area. Hope you will like them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start with the first DIY, a photo hanging, for which we will need a branch, some cardboard pieces, black paper and rope. First of all, draw the shape of birds on cardboard. Cut them, paste them on paper and cut them again. I have prepared 5 to 6 pieces of birds. In the same way, prepare the cutouts out of cardboard in various sizes, 1 big, 2 medium and 3 small. Paste them on black paper and cut them also. All the hearts are ready now. Our next task is to tie the knots around the branch. I have kept the middle rope longer and on both sides in decreasing order. But if you want, you can tie them in random sizes. That will also look beautiful. After tying, you need to set them at equal gaps. Now at the bottom part, we will paste the hearts. 2 smaller hearts on the smaller ropes. Middle size hearts on middle side ropes. One big and one small on the longest and the central rope, as you can see in the video. In the same way, we will paste all the hearts. Now we will paste the birds. I am doing with the help of glue gun, and we need to paste at the back side of the branch, as you can see in the video also, as I have turned the branch and pasting the birds facing each other. All the birds are pasted now. Our hanging is ready. Now we will tie the rope just to hang it. Now the amazing part of this decor started. I am using the small photo clips and hanging the photos. This DIY turned out to be very beautiful. I kept the branch in its natural color to give it a rustic look. Hope you liked it. Also please let me know in the comment box. Our next DIY is a door decor or a bird hanging. This one is also made of branch or twig. For this craft we will need a branch, white thread, pink and white color sheet, thin sheets for flowers and thick one for birds. First of all, draw the shape of bird on thick sheet. Cut it out. Draw the wings on the thick sheet and cut it out also. Now make a cut on bird's body part. Through it insert the wing. Prepare 5 to 6 birds in the same manner. Now move to the next step, making flowers, or you can use either the ready-made one or the handmade. To make the flowers, take a small size square cutting. Fold it as you can see in the video. Draw the shape of petal on it and cut it. Make a cut and paste 2 petals together to give a look of flower. Now draw the leaves on green paper and cut a lot of leaves and flowers in the same way. Now we will paste the flowers and leaves with the help of glue gun on the twig. Show your creativity here, you can do as you like. You can use the punching machine also to cut the shape of the flowers. Now it's turn to hang the birds. For that, tie the one part of thread through the cut of the birds. As I am doing, keep them already in the same way. The threads should be in varied lengths. Now with the help of Fevicol or glue gun, paste the bird's feather to its bodice part to make them stable. Adjust the thread to keep the birds hanging straight. When this part is done, we will tie the other part of the thread to the branch. You can hang it at the doorway or in your courtyard or balcony. The singing and flying birds will grab the attention of everyone. I hope you like both the DIYs. Please comment me in the section below. Do like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.